channel. Today we're in myToyS TV, but I just call it Audrey channel because I wanted to. Today we have what are these called again? Happy places. Sometimes when I have to do something, I forgot to say it, right? So this is the front of the happy places. The top is kind of cool because it's like a real cardboard. I think it is real cardboard. No, it is cardboard.
Limited edition.
Limited edition.
And you got 3 Petkins and 1 tile inside.
Yeah, so you can make a whole floor with it.
And you have a big box of shocking toys already,
But
right?
there is happy places on them too. And also tiles. I only got a few of them. So I'm gonna open one of these in one video. You're gonna see me open only one on this video, and then the other ones are gonna be stick to this video because the cameraman is gonna do something on the computer and then opening it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, open it already. I didn't have to do anything with this package anymore. Just breaking it, right?
Yeah.
Because I hate breaking packages that are hard to open. Okay, the rubbish. I don't even have to break this thing open. I just opened it in the first place. We got a blue tile. And we got some packages.
3.
Cool! 3 in 1! Look! Got a happy place house. Whoa! Look. The first and then the second place.
It's a home collection.
Yeah.
It's a home collection.
Now I'm gonna open all of these things. Cool, this one is so small. Oh my gosh. What is it? What is this? I wanna see.
Let's see.
What is this? I think this is a soap.
Yeah, I guess so. You can use it for a bath.
Yeah, this is a bath tile. Now that I look at it, it is look like a bath tile, right? I mean a toilet tile. The bathroom tile, I think. Because now I look at it, it looks like it. Let's keep opening more, guys. Don't open this package. I opened the gap very small. Oh, I think we got this one before.
This is what?
This is to clean yourself, you know. You put bubbles in it, you do like this.
Yeah.
Like this. Put it in the
It's a
bathroom.
spongy. It's kind of spongy.
Right. I think it's got a tray on this one. This one got no thing. It's only a tray.
Another tray for your soap.
Yeah, tray for your soap. Look, it's like a little set that you clean your own body with it. It like puts them here, put it back, and then go wash myself. Now let's go on to the next video.